Come with me, beautiful family. Let's make some yummy yogurt at home. How are you doing at the first end? In this place, I have 2 cups of milk. 2 cups of milk. So I will go in with my hot water first. This will make sure that we don't have any lumps or waste at the end of the day or when sieving it. So I will add it bit by bit and stir it until it is well combined. Okay, this one will help you to avoid unnecessary waste. Things don't cost now, so we no need to waste anything. Okay, so I'll go ahead and cream it. Add 2 cups of water. Okay, so once I add 2 cups of water, I will stir it again. That means 2 cups of milk equals 4 cups of water. Do you get it? Yes, as simple as that. That's the pattern you should use. But if it's for a commercial purpose, 2 cups of milk equals 3 cups. 1 cup of milk equals 3 cups of water. Let me repeat myself. If it's for a commercial purpose, 1 cup of milk equals 3 cups of water. But because we are not selling it, we want creamy and tasty yogurt, we have to use it. This is yogurt or starter. This one will help your milk turn into yogurt. So without this, there is no yogurt. Okay, so I'll have to do the finger testing. Count 1 to 10. If you're able to tolerate it, you know it is good to go. So I'll add the yogurt inside my measuring cup and dissolve it. This will make sure that there's no lumps in the milk. Okay, so I'll go ahead and dissolve it thoroughly until it is well dissolved. Even at that, remember I use the milk to dissolve the starter. Please don't use anything outside the yogurt itself, the milk. Okay, so I'll go ahead and also pass it through the sieve in case there's any lump that is here to dissolve. So I'll go ahead and pass it. Look at that. Okay, that's why you have to sieve at all time to avoid lumps. This one I'll use my spoon to press it down, and I will stir it to combine so that every part of the milk will have the yogurt, which is the starter that forms the yogurt itself. So once I'm done, I'll cover it in an airtight container and incubate it. This one I'm going to wrap it into a towel, a very clean towel, thick. Okay, make sure you use thick clothes. You can use more than 3 blankets for it if you don't have an oven. So I will wrap it here and also wrap it in a cloth, in a wrapper, and I'll put it in my oven. That's the hottest place in my house right now. So once I'm done, tomorrow, and I bring it out, that's after 10 hours, I brought it out and the yogurt has formed. Look at that, so amazing, creamy and yummy already, even before we taste it. So I'll check in for it. Once you're able to get this sticky paste, just know that your yogurt is ready. E dey pain when you do yogurt and it does not come out this way. It means your money has wasted. Normally I use this bowl for large quantity of yogurt, but because my baby boy could not wait to have yogurt and we have limited milk in the house, I have to make do of the available. Okay, so even if you are doing 8 cups of milk, this same starter will also go for 8 cups of milk. And this is what we got 50 cl, 2 bottle of 50 cl. Look at that, very creamy. See, these are the things you should be doing at home. Creamy and no added additive. Nothing is added, just pure, no sugar. Okay, no sugar, no preservative. Once you are giving your kids this thing, yogurt helps to build their gut health. This sick here, sick there is no more there. Look at this yogurt, very creamy, tasty. Follow me for more. Bye.